which is the alteration of the Senate calendar for the fourth session, that notwithstanding the resolution of the Senate made on the 19th of February 2025, which is the approval of the Senate calendar pursuant to Standing Order number 32-4, the Senate resolves to extend the recess so as to resume regular sittings for part 4 of the fourth session, part 5 rather, sorry, of the fourth session on Tuesday, the 23rd of September 2025, and that the Senate calendar regular sessions for the fourth session 2025 be altered accordingly. Can I do the other motion, Speaker?
Yes, proceed to give notice to the other motion.
This is notice of the second motion, Mr. Speaker, which is the establishment of a special committee to investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Eric Mutai, the Governor of Kericho County. That whereas pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution and Section 33 of the County Governments Act, on Friday the 15th of August 2025, the County Assembly of Kericho County approved a motion for the removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Eric Mutai, Governor for Kericho County.
Order, Honorable Senators. Kindly hear the Majority Leader in silence. Proceed, Majority Leader.
And further, whereas by letter reference KCA SP/3 Volume 139, dated Friday 15th August 2025, received in the office of the Speaker of the Senate on Monday 18th 2025, the Speaker of the County Assembly of Kericho informed the Speaker of the Senate of the approval of the motion by the County Assembly and further forwarded to the Speaker of the Senate documents in evidence of the proceedings of the Assembly. And whereas pursuant to Section 33(3)(b) of the County Governments Act and Standing Order number 81(b)(1) of the Senate by resolution may appoint a special committee comprising 11 of its members to investigate the matter. Now, therefore, pursuant to Section 33(3)(b) of the County Governments Act and our own Standing Order number 81(b)(1), the Senate resolves to proceed on this matter by way of the establishment of a special committee to investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Eric Mutai.
Next order.